So there are multiple ways you can record your screen, your computer screen, but how can you take your phone screen to the computer and record it using OBS? Here we are doing a tutorial on it. So what do you need is OBS, of course, and this app, which is legit. Okay, this app runs on both Android and iOS. As mentioned here, Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. Also your TV, if you want to share your TV here. Okay, so you download the app, which I have already downloaded. This thing, as much as I find it, it doesn't really have watermark. So, put it down. Let's hop on to OBS. Before that, let's hop on to the app and then connect it using my iPhone. Here is the steps for the iPhone. Remember, you can't connect to the app while recording. So, you hop on here and then it shows let's view Dell. Okay, you click that redetect or scan this QR code from your PC and your phone. So you click that, then this thing pumps up. You have to follow the tutorial in this, which I can't actually show you because I can't do that with the recording on. So let's off the recording and connect it with my PC. So it'll automatically connect here, it'll detect, and here it is. Okay, we have it here, and we need this to actually only project it over here. Quick tip: click over here, window capture, create window capture, let's view, and then click OK. For some reason or another, sometimes it won't actually pop up. So you need it 90 degrees tilted, right? Just click this up here and then it'll tilt itself 90 degrees. Put this back down, because why not? And then bring it exactly your screen size. So you don't need this top part. Just bring it like this. Okay? It'll exactly fit in your screen. It's not going to do much, will it? So, even you can have the audio output from this. Okay? That some minor settings in your phone and in this app will be showing it right here, right now. So the settings up here, go settings, okay, go down here, check the resolution according to your phone, and then come here, compatibility mode, system sounds, mirror PC to other devices, but you need other devices to here. So capturing settings, screenshot format PNG, video format MP4. You don't need this really because you're recording with OBS. So audio input, you need to have either just microphone or system sound, which I'm taking system sound from here. Go over here and then you have Windows capture, which actually takes the sound from your PC. So if I increase this should probably capture your whole PC's sound. There's another way to do this, which I actually don't know. You can search it out on YouTube. There are a lot of people who've done this. But for now, this is the easiest way you can actually do this. Hope there is a question. Let me know in the comments. I will respond to you as fast as I can. See you guys.